Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest. To tell you in this tutorial is how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case someone has stolen your Gmail password. In case someone who has hacked your Gmail password, you have lost your device, or unfortunately you forgot your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number so that you can easily reset your Gmail password. Then what's the alternative approach? Via latest Google guided support. We will approach that method, specials and exclusive method to reset once again, because this area has been especially recommended by one viewer who has lost unfortunately his ID with device, so now he doesn't have a device or phone so that he can reset off his email. So let's recover quickly. Firstly, we will try to have especially execution the manual method by a normal. So see, we are in a recovery phase. Fine, so this is a particular ID, and of course we will go for try another way because we don't have a password. So now it's asking especially here, just we will go for try another way. Now here is asking so the phone number. We don't have the phone number so that we can reset it. Yeah, so since that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be show that this account is relevant, then Google will ask or Google ask for this information to secure your accounts. But here to recover this account, of course you will have to try again, answer its questions, sound, or of course sound, or if your account is managed with the family link, should we have a two opportunity that either we can answer of this question, or second thing that if account is managed with the family link, so then of course Google will send to you. Yes, the particulars decide a password or the reset opportunity so that you can reset. But this is also tough task. Why? By a normal method, because we will have to give an alternative email that is linked with this, and thereupon of course within 48 hours on the basis of document, identity, proofs, evidence, Google will endorse to justify that you have submitted on it. Yes, you must have an opportunity to create the strong password on it, or is it or not. If it is not, then of course you won't be able to get. So let's buy alternative way. Just we will cut it from here because we will don't try again multiple times, because Google will contact you. That option will be opens. Now we are on here. Just we will come in a search bar. In a search bar, so we will write here West browser, and easily we will get one browser here that see here Brave and the private browser. Just we will go for here. Here is also especially easily virtual private network is enabled there, so easily we can customize or navigate the precise location easily. That's why actually the purpose to this. So now it has just started to install. On the other hand, of course, we have two chances that is very crucial. We'll go for here, hold this Z browser, and of course let me cut it from here, guys. Once again we will come on here. Let's come, just we will hold it. So if we hold, then of course here the app info icons will be open, so then we will have to go the inside of this, make the notifications especially. Let's actually off this notification, then we will have to come the permission, and in permissions here we'll have to come the locations, then we will come in there, don't allow engage. So before we going to don't allow engage, we have to make it allow, and then make the precise location off, and then click on here don't allow anyway. So now if you see here it's off. Now we can see here don't allow has been accepted. Now we will back here. Yes, we will have to back one more time. Let's quick, and of course we will come and set as a default of these things. So now we will tap on it, and of course we will clear. Now we will cut it from here. Then once again of course we will come in especially this Chrome browser. This is also product of especially Google, so just we will tap on it and make it notifications off. So how it is. Now it's off. Now we will back once again and we will come in a special, this make the precise location off, then we will go for don't allow any show. It's essential that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Of course, we will do it for time beings, and we will have to go back here one more time, and we'll have the strong opportunity to select the special MC comes through the browser, and of course we will cut it from here. Now let's open a special MC this web browser. Now that we can see it has been opened. Of course we'll go for set up this later, we'll go for continue, and now that we have here, let's tap on it, Google Code.in. So let's see. Google Code.in. Yes, we will picture these ones, and if we picture these ones, then we'll go for here. And now that we have here options to the signing, so just of course we'll go for here this signing. So let's see. Now we will tap on it here, right here. First we will go for here. Let's see. Now it's asking here password once again on this browser, so just we will tap on it as usual. I'm forgot, and now let's approach here. It's asking share another password on a particular this device, so just we will back here, tap on it. Now that we have it here is asking its last password, so just we will tap on it. Now it is asking to the phone number, we don't have especially, so just pick some the skip. Now here is a special amount tips to recover this account, means this ID can be recovered easily. How is it possible, guys? We will see here. We have a 2, 3, 4 options now, and if we approach especially this ones, and then the 5th options will be as generated. So if the possible when the sign in, so the answer as many questions so that we can the user device where the sign in before, and the third is that if your account is managed with the family links, and fourth one more tips to recover this account. So we will picture this one, but don't click on a try because this account may be a phrase for timings because I'm the transaction that covers in this account via different browser. Then how it is possible to actually access this feature that more tips to recover this account. So let's see now. We will cut it from here, and of course we will tap on settings. Now Google will recover itself especially. Let's see how it is possible. We will tap on a special and Google service, and there of course we will tap on help options, and we are on here now. After coming on here, just we'll have to wait here. That one option will be open there that can't sign into your Gmail account. So here it is now. Yes, we will. Now we will pick these 4th options, and after picking these 4th options, yes, yeah, we will have to wait. Now we can see here is options that to secure this account, and when we talking about to secure this account, so then of course we have a review your account activities. Here we can see easily that find out if your account has been hacked. Easily we can see here. It is a change that on the left navigation the panel select the security and this impression, that is all I will show. Now after selections in these fields, let's see. Now we are on here, and directly we will come on a special the recovery page, tap on it. So now the one page more will be open here. Just now this ID will have to fix these fields, and before of course we'll go for next step. Now see here, directly we have the list. Now what we will do, guys, here, don't click on a special to continue, otherwise of course you would be a trap in a special. It's a verify you option, so it's better that directly tap on it and then change the password. When we will tap on it, and then of course we have the opportunity to create the strong password, isn't it? Here confirms new a strong password, and after confirming here, change it, so that after changing, don't worry, once again you will have to come in this ID sector there, the manage your account there. We will have to go in a security center, and security center there add firstly email, so that because email alternative is not a given added there, that we have the what's that is on motives actually is to other cover this account in that option on this particular this browser. So now add their alternative emails, and then of course by alternative email we will get an OTP to remove, of course, registered recovery phone number, and there once again we will add their registered recovery phone number and their phone. If the phone number as well as the especially email has been kept or saved as a recovery, then of course obviously you know that we can protect, we can, yes, save often this ID for the permanence. So these online live screens, especially live recordings, we cannot generate, but of course after screen off, we will have to generate, create this strong the password, we change the everything, and therefore of course we will have to deliver this audio, this viewer. So this is all about. To know more information, any kind of the assistance, of course, directly you can drop the query in the comments box. The pleasure will be mine to reply your query. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.